What's up, guys? So it's a new year, so I kind of just wanted to give you an updated Zippo Collection video. I've gotten a handful since my last collection video. As you can see, I've also added another case. Running out of space here on my wall, but it's all good. So kind of just wanted to show you these. Most of them you will see from my old video. And every time I get new Zippos, I kind of move them around to see where they're placed the best or where they look the nicest. Because I do a lot of series ones, I kind of like to have the series ones next to each other. You have the Windy Girls. It's a Zippo Creed, one of my favorites. And then these are my old Zippos that I won in auctions and belong to soldiers and all that good stuff. I only have two Zippo Slims. This is one here, brass Venetian, and then this one here. And then I have this one Zippo Blue. And this Zippo here, this was a part of my Zippo giveaway. One of the two that you can choose. So stay tuned. Shortly I will be doing another Zippo giveaway and be giving this Zippo out. So this case used to be maybe halfway full. Now it's completely full. And now here's my new case. I added a Zippo Armor 1941 Black Ice replica, a Kiss, a Marlboro Man, and just standard chrome, all scratched up. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you like this updated Zippo collection. I'm still working on it. I always will be working on it. And stay tuned. Rate, comment, subscribe. Take care.